Good morning, everybody. It's 6:04 a.m. and I'm going to make my supper tonight using all my Hot Logics. How's that going to be? I got the big one, the family size, 9x13 casserole size, and 3 small ones. What are these, 6x9s, I think, right? Anyway, the big one I'm going to put some pork chops and stuffing and gravy. Want to come over and watch me put them all together real quick? So I have 4 big pork chops. They could be frozen, but these are not frozen. But first I want to put some stovetop stuffing down there, see? I never did that. Kathy might have done that, I think. Take the stuffing, open this up. I have a big Pyrex in there already. This is going to be good. This smells good already. And I'm using 1.5 cups of water. And that's going to be good. Don't worry. Get them wet. Look how easy this is. A 1 and a 2. A 3 and a 4. You won't fit? You gonna fit? Yes. That's that. And to top that off, I'm gonna use a can of gravy, whatever flavor you like. Whoa, look at that. Sprinkle that down a little bit. Don't worry. It's gonna get good. I'm gonna put a can of water in here as well. That's that. Almost a can. That's plenty. Now, I did have a lid for this container, but at this minute I can't find it, so I'm going to put foil on there. That'll be fine. You gonna love it? Set it and forget it. Zip that one up. Pull out the handy retractable cord, or take it somewhere, take it to your party, take it to work, feed everybody in the office, cook it in your car or truck. I'm going to plug this in over here because I'm going to use 4 of them today. Okay, now, you just sit there. We'll see you soon. I have an orange one here. Wait, that's going to be last. Why? I don't know. What else am I going to cook? I got frozen corn on the cob. Frozen corn on the cob. This Hot Logic Mini came with a Pyrex and a lid, very convenient. You can buy them without the Pyrex and use your own container, or use fast food containers or frozen food containers, cardboard, plastic. Look at this. Summertime. It won't fit. It won't fit. I'm going to do better.
Like 3.
Should I put one in there?
Good try.
Alright, we're having 3. 2 for you and 1 for me. Oh no. 1 for you and 2 for me. I'll put some butter in there, because I want to. Get around, get around. It's going to melt, you know that. Yeah, I thought these were smaller anyway. I thought these were the half-size ears. These are 3/4 ears. Deers. You can put seasoning on here if you want. Spices. You can also do it at the end. I'm going to add a little bit of water in here too. Yeah, that's a lot of butter. I don't mind. And I'll squash that lid down. I could have cut that smaller, couldn't I? It's alright. Okay. Or is the corn too big? I don't know. It's some big corn. It's gonna work. It ain't going nowhere. Did I put water in there? I forget. No, I didn't. Hey, come on, you. Wake up! Wake up and smell the yarn on the yob. Eating on my yob. Zip that one up. Oh, this is gonna be good tonight. Now, I'm gonna plug this in. Pull out the handy cord in the back. or take it to work, take it to your picnic, take it on your boat or your truck, whatever you like. Now you stay back there. I'll be eating you later. In the black one, I'm gonna put in some baked beans, a can of baked beans. Now you know, I don't know if I explained this to you before, but this comes with a heating element that you can remove and put on your table for like a warming plate or something, you know. But that's how it works. It's an electrical lunchbox, and we love them. We use them every week, 2 or 3 times a week. They're perfect when you work nights or you take your lunch to work and you don't want to use the dirty microwave. You know, you just plug it in and at lunchtime it's ready. We cook frozen chicken in here. I heat up leftover pizza. All kind of good stuff in here. It comes up to the perfect temperature, like the low setting on a slow cooker setting. That's that with that. And I'm cup an onion. Put that in there. You don't have to, but I like onions. Look at that. Is that too many? Let's spice these up too with some brown sugar or whatever you like. There's some on the floor, that's okay. And where do you see this at the end of the day? Okay. Love it. That's a meal right there. Chop up some hot dogs, put them in there. I might have done that already too. I don't need water in here or nothing, huh? Put the lid on. My Pyrex. This Pyrex came with it. I mentioned that already. You can buy it without. Zip it up. Zip it, mister. Plug this in here. And last but not least, this is a dessert idea from, who do you think? You? From Kathy. Remember her? So this is her idea. No lid on this one. Know why? Got these 2 little fancy dessert bowls. We're gonna try something different today. Here we have some semi-sweet chocolate morsels, you know, also known as chocolate chips. We'll pour them in the bowl. Why? Oh, little chocolate morsels. Morsels! Then she gave me these white melting wafers. So I seal on it here. Oh, it smells so good already, all this stuff. Let's put them in this bowl. Oh, I used them all. Is that okay? Is that enough? Mm-hmm. Should I cover this? Cover this with foil?
You don't have to.
I guess I don't have to. But if I was traveling, I would put a lid or cover this. I'm going to plug this in just like this. And what's your idea for this, for dessert? You're going to eat a bowl of chocolate or what?
No, we're going to dip some strawberries in it.
Oh. You like that?
Yummy. Huh? Good way to end this nice meal.
Let's set him and forget him. Or her. Pull out my handy cord tucked in the back. Or take it to Grandma's house. But if you do, make sure you have a lid on it. Plug that in here, and you know what? If you're all good, and behave yourself today, you can come back at supper time and watch us eat this. Okay? Isn't that gonna be fun? Zoom out a little bit. No close-ups. It's too early. And I get to sit here all day and smell it. It smells good already with the onions and the smoky pork chops. And, oh, if you don't have a Hot Logic yet, get one. Maybe by the time we're eating them, it'll arrive at your house. They come like that. They come fast shipping. Click the link down there. Use my code. You can get a discount, too. But we really love these, don't we?
Yes, we do.
And we gave them out for gifts to Jamie and Janelle and Katie. Katie got one, right? Oh, well, maybe you get one, Kate. Shh, don't tell nobody.
I think we have some more on the way.
Julie don't have one either, huh?
No.
All right. But thinking about you girls anyway.
Yep, we'll get them to them.
But the ones that we did give them to, they were excellent gifts, and they take them to work. Like Janelle's a nurse now, and James a teacher. And they take them, plug them in. Time to eat. Jan, eat. It's done. Home cooked or leftover, whatever you want. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Stop back and watch us eat supper. Please subscribe so you don't forget. Unless you're subscribed already, just stop back or watch it next week. Have a nice day. See ya.